I have beat making applications which allows you to create beats to rap to. Basically, they are pretty good beats if you're like learning to rap. There are decent beats that you can create and use and distribute it. I've used to make beats. I have an experience in making beats. This app allows you to make decent beats and you can have it for yourself forever. This is a short application called Focus Timer 15 app. Basically helps you keep you focused. Every 15 minutes you get a ping from the app and you write down what you did in the last 15 minutes. That's really important. That's an idea I got from Alex Harmozy. It allows you to cut off things you do. Basically, you write down your goals during the onboarding process or inside the app, and then you track sessions, and then AI analyzes what you write down, two to three things, one sentence, two words. Basically, AI helps you analyze and scores how well you did against your goal, basically during your sessions. Other app is Coldsmith application, which is an app that allows you to track cold plunges and do breathing exercises, and you can do them all together and track them together. All good for your health. Another app I have, which is Newsletterlytics. This is a very simple, small application that allows you to track your Beehive newsletter statistics. So if you have newsletter on platform like Beehive, you can track how did your latest newsletter go. It has a very nice native widget, so you don't need to open the app. It's available on Android and iOS, the same as Coldsmith. I really like this app. I'm going to start using it soon, as I'm going to start writing more newsletter. I have this kind of app actually bought last year and I upgraded it. It's a teleprompter application, allows you to record videos and read off the teleprompter. Really nice features. I will see how I can improve that in the future. Another app I have is a YapperX application. You record your notes, you want to tweet something, you get tweet ideas basically based on your voice, so that's really nice. AI helps you structure it a little bit better for Twitter or Threads. I actually had more great results on Threads than actually Twitter X. This is an app where I'm going to explore. It needs a connection with X API. Then that way we'll be able to like train this AI to actually know your voice, and then we'll add keyboard extension to this application so that it will help you write answers quickly on X if you're typing on your phone. Yeah, this is a very simple application, caffeine tracker applications. It helps you like with your sleep schedule, like it tells you how much caffeine you stays in your system. It's really nice, small application, available for free. There are some premium features, I don't remember, but it's really cheap. I think premium for $9.99, I don't remember, or that's lifetime. And those apps, basically, those are dead apps that I actually should close, take out from the channel. There's one more app I have. Another app I have, VidNotes application, that my best working application right now. You can transcribe any video that's online and you get to chat with the video. I actually should update some screenshots. You can study flashcards, you can ask a question about the video. Is something mentioned inside the video? That's really neat when your friend sent you a 25-minute video and you don't have enough time to watch that video and you just want to figure out what about the video is. You generate summary, you get info about it. That's it. That's the last app I have, the best doing one. And there's a plan to make an Android version of it and the web version of it within next month.